If you're looking to start selling on Amazon this year, then this video is for you. Let's get right into it. What's going on, people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sam, and what I do here is break down various different tips and tricks to help you guys make money online. But in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is giving you guys a complete beginner friendly understanding of what you need to know when it comes to making money on Amazon. So I've been selling on Amazon now for the past 5 or 6 years. So I've got a lot of experience when it comes to the things that you need to know before you actually get started. As always, I don't want to waste any more time. I want to jump straight into it. So if you find any value in the video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification. Let's jump straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys need to know when it comes to selling on Amazon is that there's 2 ways of doing it. There's Amazon FBA and then there's Amazon FBM. So Amazon FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon, whereas Amazon FBM stands for Fulfilled by Merchant. So first and foremost, let me break down exactly what Amazon FBM is. So Amazon FBM, Fulfilled by Merchant, basically is where the merchant, e.g. myself, or if you want to sell on Amazon, you're basically going to fulfill the orders yourself, whereas Amazon FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon, is where you're going to ship the goods to Amazon, and whenever you make a sale on your Amazon store, Amazon is going to ship out the orders for you. So most of you don't even realize that some of the products that you're ordering from Amazon are not necessarily coming from an Amazon warehouse. A lot of the products that you're probably receiving that you order from Amazon are being shipped directly from the merchant. So when it comes to telling the difference between whether a product is being shipped directly from an Amazon warehouse or whether a merchant is shipping it out themselves, if we just jump into Amazon right here and we just look at these laptop desks, we can see that this one says that I'm going to get it by tomorrow, free delivery by Amazon. Whereas if we look at this seller over here, it says that I'm going to get this product by Thursday, February 17th, which is 6 days from now. So this seller is potentially shipping out this product themselves, but they're not necessarily using the fastest shipping possible. Depending on how they've set up their shipping rates in the back end of their Amazon store, it shouldn't take this long. But what this seller is probably doing is drop shipping the item, and that's the reason why it's got a long delivery time. So even though this seller is shipping out the items themselves and it's going to take some time for the customer to receive it, they've still been able to make some sales and they've still got 98 reviews on this product. And the main reason why I'm showing you this is because I want you guys to be fully aware of the fact that you don't necessarily need to do Amazon FBA when it comes to making money with Amazon. There's 2 ways to do it and you need to choose which way is best for you. I believe that buying products in bulk and then shipping it to an Amazon warehouse could be costly depending on if you've done the right product research. You need to make sure that you've definitely found a winning product that's selling well before you even think about doing Amazon FBA, because as a new Amazon seller with a brand new product on your Amazon store, you need to make sure that you've built up some sort of reviews before you can even expect any sales to come in. And this now brings me on to one of the most important factors of selling on Amazon, is that you need to make sure that you're building up your product reviews. And the way that I was able to build up my product reviews was every single time I got an order on my Amazon store, I put a customized card in the box, thanking the customer for their order and also asking them if they were able to leave me a 5-star product review if they were happy. And by doing this, I was slowly able to build up the positive reviews that I got for the products that I was selling on my Amazon store, which now enabled me to make many more sales month after month. So when it comes to my own experience of selling on Amazon, as I've already said, I've done both options, Amazon FBM and Amazon FBA. But the way that I initially got started when it came to building up my Amazon store was through Amazon FBM. Now, the main reason why I initially focused on fulfilling the orders myself instead of doing Amazon FBA at the start is due to the fact that when I initially started selling on Amazon, the main reason why I even signed up to Amazon and started building my Amazon business is due to the fact that I was selling products on eBay. And because I was able to grow my eBay business from $10,000 per month in revenue up to $50,000 per month, at that point, I now started to think about ways that I could diversify my e-commerce brand that I was building on eBay at the time. And one of the ways that I planned on diversifying my e-commerce brand that I was building was by selling products on my own Shopify store and my own Amazon store. So I spent countless amounts of months researching exactly how I could build my Amazon business. Around this time, I thought that Amazon FBA was the only way that I could do it, but then I found out that I could actually sell the products myself and then ship them out. I didn't necessarily need to send my inventory to an Amazon warehouse. And the main reason why this was ideal for me is because I already had my own distribution system set up. I already had my staff that was helping me ship orders out on a daily basis. I had my office space, I had all my inventory, everything was perfect. So I didn't necessarily need to send my inventory to an Amazon warehouse, it was going to be a lot more easier for me to ship out the orders myself. So the first thing that you guys need to be aware of is that if you do want to ship the orders out yourself and you don't necessarily want to send a bunch of stock to an Amazon warehouse, then you can always sell on Amazon as an individual and ship the orders out yourself. You don't necessarily need to do Amazon FBA. I think a lot of people get confused and think that Amazon FBA is the only way. And plus, I don't think the customer even really cares whether or not the product is coming directly from Amazon or whether it's coming from someone else. As long as they're going to be able to get their order in time, that's the main thing that they care about. Now, some of the key things that you need to know if you are planning on going down the route of Amazon FBM is that, in my opinion, it's going to be better for you and you're going to be able to make more sales if you register your business as a limited company and you register it as a trademark. Some of the benefits that I've been able to get as an Amazon seller and all the sales that I've been able to make over the years have come from the fact that I've got a registered limited company and I've got a trademark for my limited company as well. The reason for this is because if you are able to prove to Amazon that your product is branded with a trademark, then you're going to be able to get pushed higher in the Amazon search results. Not only that, you're also going to be eligible for your listings to have the Prime logo, which means that customers are going to be more inclined to buy from you because they know that they're going to receive their order within 1 or 2 days. And one of the main reasons why I haven't put all my focus into shipping my products to an Amazon warehouse and doing Amazon FBA is mainly due to the fact that Amazon are going to charge you a storage fee. And the way that my e-commerce store is set up, it doesn't necessarily make sense for me to pay for an office space, pay for staff that are shipping out the same products through my eBay and Shopify businesses, as well as paying Amazon a storage fee as well. That doesn't make sense for me. So you need to look at your own situation and look at what's best for you. So when it comes to signing up as a seller on Amazon, there's a few things that you need to be aware of before you get started. So I've just jumped onto this page right here, which is sellercentral.amazon.co.uk because I'm based in the UK, but if you're based in America, it's going to be .com. So first things first, I need to let you guys know that it's going to cost £25 per month, excluding VAT. So it's going to be around £30 per month if you want to be registered as a seller on Amazon. Now, the way that this is different from other platforms, for example, eBay, is that if you want to sign up to become a seller on Amazon, you don't necessarily need to pay anything up front. You only pay something once your item is sold, whereas Amazon, you need to pay £25 per month, and that doesn't include any selling fees that you're going to have to pay once the item is sold. Now, if you are serious about building an Amazon business, you're going to have to pay this amount every single month initially before you even find the product to sell, before you even do any of that, because you need to get familiar with the Amazon seller dashboard. And if you are going to go down the route of Amazon FBA, you need to sign up, pay this £30 a month for you to be able to ship the goods to Amazon, or whether your supplier is going to ship the goods directly to an Amazon warehouse. You need to make sure that you sign up so that you're able to log everything properly. Now, if I just click on this sign up option right here, one of the key things that you need to know if you are looking to sign up as a seller on Amazon is that when you're going through the sign up process, you're going to need to give Amazon all the details about where you're from, your date of birth. Once you start selecting options like this, so for example, I'm going to put United Kingdom, we can see that Amazon also require your national ID or your passport ID, UK driving license. This is very important to know because if you don't necessarily like giving your details to these big companies, then you need to know this straight away so that you don't waste your time looking for a winning product, looking for a supplier. And if you are happy to give Amazon all of your details, they're going to verify everything. It might take a few days, maybe 3 or 4 days for them to get back to you and let you know that everything is verified. And then once all your documents and all your details are verified, that's when you can now start the process of listing the products that you want to sell on your Amazon store. So the question now is, which route should you take, Amazon FBA or Amazon FBM? To be very honest with you, it depends on so many different factors. For example, if you've even got space in your house, because I was fortunate enough to have space in my house when I first started my e-commerce business and eventually moved to an office space, it made more sense for me to do Amazon FBM. But if you don't necessarily have the space, but you've got enough money to invest in a certain amount of products, then it might make sense for you to do Amazon FBA. But make sure that you go through this video again, just so that you have a full understanding of the advantages and the disadvantages of both options, just so that you can make a clear decision based on your own situation. But don't forget, guys, that my journey was a little bit different when it came to building up my Amazon business. Because I built up my eBay store first and I got my revenues to $50,000 per month, I had a certain amount of profit that I could use to reinvest into my Amazon business. So if you want to know exactly how to get started on eBay as a beginner, if you want to do that first instead of Amazon, you can click right there, because in that video I break down everything you need to know about earning money on eBay as a beginner. And if you enjoyed this video, then you're definitely going to enjoy that one. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Hit the bell notification. Comment down below if you got any questions, because I'm trying my best to respond to all comments that are underneath this video. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.